How to connect your Canon Powershot SD750 and use it as a webcam. So let's say you have this lying around and you want to repurpose it, you want to live stream with it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So things we're going to need: you're going to need the battery to power the camera. You're going to need the specific cable here, which is audio video cable with this connection here, and that's going to connect to the camera via the AV out, which is right there. And then you're also going to need a ClearClick device. This is going to capture your audio and video signal and send it out to the PC via the USB port. So let's connect everything. Let's see how this works. Now when you're connecting this, make sure that you push it all the way in. So you make sure that it's all the way in. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is connect it to the capture device, ClearClick. And that's connected. Now you're ready to power it on and connect it to the PC. We're going to use OBS to get it all going. And let's take a look and see exactly what that looks like. Okay, we have now connected ClearClick, and we're about to see if it's actually going to work. I'm excited. This is the Canon Powershot SD750. This is OBS, so we're going to stream using the Canon as a webcam. And what we're going to do this is we're going to first go into capture device here, and we're going to look for ClearClick. I already have it checked, so we're good to go. We're just going to hit OK. But you see, oh no, the blue screen, it means it's not working. Actually, the camera's not on. And then from here, you'll be able to stream once you get it going, or you can just record. It'll be up to you. But let's turn the camera on and let's see it in action. So this is an analog signal which is coming through the camera. So it's not gonna be HD or anything, but let's turn it on, and here we are. You can see it's working. I have it set to all the display came off, so you can do that in the menu, and you can get rid of grid lines if you have them on, or all your display information to be just to shut off. You go into the menu. I'll have a probably separate video to show you how to do that, but this is essentially it. And now let's record something, and let me show you what that looks like in real time. We have successfully connected the Canon Powershot SD750, and this is exactly what it looks like. So when you're streaming, now you can use your Canon as a webcam, or you can just record videos with it via your computer using OBS. It's analog, so it's not like super HD, but I think it works great. So if you're looking to repurpose your camera to use it as a webcam, you can do that using OBS. OBS is free to use, and yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. All right, hope you enjoyed it.